Hello everyone, welcome to JJ's Cookbook. Today we are going to make super delicious donuts. So let's begin. Here I am taking 240 ml lukewarm milk, adding 2 tablespoons yeast. Add 3 tablespoons sugar. Mix all ingredients well. Close bowl with lid. You can use any airtight container or plastic wrap. After 20 minutes, yeast has been raised. Add 1 egg to the yeast mix. Beat well. Now in separate bowl, I am adding 2 cup all-purpose flour, 4 pinch salt. Mix well our dry ingredients. Pour our yeast milk batter to dry mix. Continuously knead dough for 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, I have added 1 cup all-purpose flour. Grease your platter with ghee or butter. Now place your dough, adding 2 to 3 tablespoons ghee or butter. In the beginning, you can see our dough is very sticky. After few minutes, you can note our dough started taking shape. Apply some ghee or butter. You can use oil also. Please avoid strong fragrance oil such as mustard oil, coconut, sesame oil. Close bowl with lid. You can use any airtight container or you can use plastic wrap. You can see after 2 hours our dough has been raised. Punch dough down to release extra air. Knead dough for 5 minutes. Take rolling board and rolling pin. Make dough balls and flatten dough using rolling pin. Using rolling pin, roll out dough half-inch thickness. Now you can cut donut using donut cutter or you can use glass, any jar lid for outer circle, and for inner circle you can use nozzle or any bottle cap. Here for donut outer shape I am using glass and for inner hole I am using nozzle. You can use your tabletop to flatten down dough and create multiple donuts at the same time. After cutting dough into donut shape, you can transfer donut to parchment paper, aluminum foil, or you can use any tray platter. Just dust some maida over it and place your donuts. Grease donut with ghee or butter and cover it with wet towel. Let donut rest for 10 minutes. In a pot, heat some oil and now drop donuts one by one. Deep fry your donut until it turns golden brown. You can fry multiple donuts at same time. Fried donuts are ready. For garnishing our donuts, I'm preparing white chocolate ganache and dark chocolate ganache. Dip each and every donuts into chocolate ganache, or else you can powder some sugar. Coat sugar when donut is hot. I have separated some portion of white chocolate ganache and later I have colored it with food gel color. Decorate it with some sprinkles, silver balls, or you can have as it is. Donuts are ready to be served. Our donuts are super crisp from outside and super soft from inside. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.